Hey again everyone, Ross here from Moon Audio with another headphone unboxing, this time the HiFiMan Arya Unveiled. Let's check it out. Alright, here we are, the Arya Unveiled. As you can see, this looks a lot like the HE1000 Unveiled and the Susvara Unveiled. So let's check out how this one looks. A little simpler box than the HE1000 Unveiled. Make sure you check out our unboxing video of that if you want to see how that one is packaged. But inside this one, for the Arya Unveiled, we get a cool little box. I don't think I've seen this one before in their packaging. To register for your warranty, follow us on social media. Let's see what's in here. Okay, these are probably the pads or the covers for the ear cups. Let's see here. All right, so there we go. Unlike the HE1000 Unveiled that are like a very reflective silver, this is kind of like almost a leather feel. Really cool. Love the dark aesthetic on this. Let's take out the other one. Nice little bags that they put these in. Same finish on this one, obviously. And it's got that carbon fiber backing, just like the HE1000 Unveiled has. And let's see what the headphone looks like. So these aren't going to have the covers on them in the box, so you're going to want to be very careful when you take them out if you do end up buying this headphone. So here we are, the Arya Unveiled. Very similar design, at least in terms of just the layout of the drivers with the ear cups when it comes to comparing it to the HE1000 Unveiled. But this one with the all black aesthetic, aside from the drivers themselves, looks pretty awesome. Let's see what it looks like with the covers on. Nice. That's a really awesome look for when you have them stored. Super easy to attach. They kind of just clamp on with a little magnet there. And looks like for these headphones like we have on the past generations of the Arya, we've got 3.5 millimeter connections there. That's nice. Similar headband as to the other Aryas in the lineup. It looks good. Nice. Now it looks like I did forget to mention one other thing here in this cardboard box that I pulled out earlier, and it is the included cable from HiFiMan. Looks like they're going to give you a 1/4 inch to dual 3.5s. Now we do make custom Dragon cables for this headphone. We have the Black Dragon headphone cable. We offer this in the standard version that you see here, as well as a premium version with upgraded connectors. And then we also offer the Silver Dragon headphone cable, which you can get with the premium connectors as well. This is the standard version. Now, if we're talking based on looks alone here, the Black Dragon headphone cable is going to be the best choice, at least in my opinion, because, well, you want to keep the black on black aesthetic going, pick the Black Dragon. However, the Silver Dragon could be a great choice depending on your listening preferences. So stay tuned. We're actually going to get this headphone to our customer service staff. We're going to test it out, get their opinions on the sound signature of the Arya Unveiled, and then recommend their favorite headphone cable that we make to upgrade your headphone cable for this headphone. So that's going to wrap it up for this unboxing of the new Arya Unveiled headphones from HiFiMan. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more audiophile content just like this. Thanks so much for watching.